Now that Valentine's Day is just around the corner, now is the perfect time to optimize the website, make sure it's ready to go for those sales. So things like adding a banner to the top here, changing the banner image on the website, reviewing your delivery settings as well. We're going to go through all those things in this website just to make sure it's ready to go for your Valentine's Day sales. First up, I'm going to show you how to add this banner to your website. So we provided this image for you if you'd like to use it, or of course you can upload your own one. So to find this particular banner image, go to floristtouch.co.uk, and then at the very bottom, go down and you'll see some options here under info. And what you're looking for is seasonal images. Click on that, and then you'll see a bunch of images that you can click on and download. I'm going to scroll down, and here's some Valentine's Day ones. So these ones here, this one's a square, so that one you might want to download and add to your Instagram page if you wanted to. This one, a Facebook one as well. But we're going to do this top one for the website. So if you click on it, you'll see this, and right click, and then you want to save the image. So save that to your phone or your computer, and then you're going to want to go back into your Florist Touch dashboard. So when you log in, you'll come to your dashboard and you want to go to edit website, and then you'll go onto the page where you want to add that banner. So presumably the home page. Just for this video, I'm going to do the demo page here. And then here you will see somewhere on your page, it'll probably look a bit like this, but you want to look for the slideshow gallery where you would upload that banner image. So what you can do is click here, and then it will open up. And then click on the banner that you just downloaded. Up here. Okay, perfect. And then you're going to want to save the page as well. Now what you can do is link this to your shop. So for example, this image here is not linked to anything. So if I click on it, it's just going to scroll on to the next image. But what you can do is link this to your shop page. So if I was to click on this, it's going to go to my Valentine's Day category, or whatever category you would like it to go to. And here's how to do that. So going back to the editor, where you see your banner images, click on edit. And then at the top here is where you can choose from another page or category that you want to link it to. So if you've got a Valentine's Day shop category, it will show here as shop Valentines. This is what my category is called. So I'm going to click on that one and then save the image. And that's all you'd have to do. It now be linked to your shop page. So whenever they click on it, it's going to take them directly to that page. Another thing you're going to want to do as well, or you may or may not, but something that we recommend is using the banner if you don't already. And so you do that by logging into your website, and where it says site notice is what you're looking for. You can also see it in the dashboard here, site-wide notice. So click on that, and then this is where you can add a different message in. So let me think of an example one. So here we go. I've done something like this just as a reminder to order flowers, but what you could do is just say something about delivery dates. So limited availability, please order before, lunchtime on the 13th or something like that. And then you set your notice of when you want that to expire. So presumably for a lot of you, that would probably be the 14th of February, maybe even the 30th, but 14th or 15th would be a good shout for that. And hit save, and then that would be added to your website. Another thing you want to check as well is your delivery settings. So sometimes you might be open to different hours on Valentine's Day itself. So if you go into Quick Set Calendar, you will see a calendar of your open and close days that are default in your settings page, but you can come in and customize it. So Valentine's Day is on so we've got collection, and then your nationwide delivery as well, if you have that enabled. So let's say here, delivery, if you were closed and you just want to come in and make sure it is open, you can also do some more advanced changes if you wanted to as well. So for example, you could apply it to this, and if I was to make it open, date. So here you might change your shop hours, for example. So whereas normally you might be closed at 1 p.m. or even 5 p.m., you might even want to do the 13th and set your opening hours to be later maybe. But yeah, come in and play around and see what kind of works for you. And the last thing to check as well is what are the products that are showing on your homepage. So for Valentine's Day, you probably want to customize these to all your roses and your other romantic romantic bouquets. So what you want to do is come to promote item, and then you're going to just want to select your anything that you want to select basically. So you just come and pick the appropriate amount. So if you are showing 4, then pick 4. You can pick more, and they would show via this slideshow as well. But that's just something that you will want to, or you may want to tweak as well, getting ready for Valentine's. I hope that was helpful. And if you think that we've forgotten anything or any other tips that you have to optimize the website for Valentine's Day, then do leave it in the comments and let us know and let other people see them as well. Thanks.